week you're going to be getting started on your final paper that is due at the end of Unit 7. And you do that by completing your Unit 3 assignment. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm in Unit 3. I scrolled down to where it says Unit 3 ECE Foundations Final Paper, title page and reference page. It is very important that you understand that you are not completing your whole paper this week. You are only completing the title page, which is the first page of your paper, and the reference page, which is the last page of your paper. You are welcome to get started on the body of your paper, but that is not what's due this week. So let's say that you chose Maria Montessori in your Unit 2.2 final paper topic choice assignment last week. You're going to use that topic for your paper. So you are going to pick the template that goes with whatever topic you chose in the Unit 2.2 assignment last week. So let's say that I chose Maria Montessori, and so that's a historical figure. I am going to go to historical figure, research APA 7 template. I'm going to click on the blue words, and then it's going to open to the bottom of your screen. And here's the template. It's already set up in APA 7 format for you. It makes it much easier if you just type into the template than starting a whole paper on your own. So real quickly, want to go over a few things. If you chose historical figure, you would put the name of the historical figure that you chose here. You have your name. You would keep the name of the school, the name of the course. You would add your instructor's name, and you would add the due date for the assignment, which is the end of Unit 7 date. You can delete all of this, and then your title page is done. You're already halfway done with your assignment. Then you're going to scroll down to your reference page, which is the last page of your paper, and you are looking for references in you need 2 references that are from within the course and 1 that you find on your own, or you can find 3 on your own if you want. So you are going to list the references that you found here. You want to make sure that you are choosing reliable and relevant references. So you want to make sure that you are choosing references that are not very old and that are from reliable sources. So Wikipedia is not a reliable source. That is because anybody can put information on Wikipedia. Try to look for references that end in .org, .net, or .edu. You can also use YouTube videos, but you need to be careful and review who the author is, because remember, anyone can put stuff up on YouTube. So you want to make sure whoever the author is a reliable source. So here's where you're going to list your 3 references, and these are here as examples for you. So you're going to delete them once you're all done. I would personally find my 3 references first, write them on a piece of paper, work on the format, and then type it in, and I would type it in under these 3 references and then go back and delete them, all of this, when you're done. So this shows you exactly how to put everything in APA format. If it's a reference that has an author, last name, first initial, middle initial if they have it listed, the year, and the month. Then the title of the article, the title of the publication, and URL, meaning the website link. Here is an example done for you. This doesn't have an author, but this is from like an organization. So it's the name of the organization, the date, and then the title and the website. Here's another example. This one has an author, a date, here's the title, and then here's the name of the publication and the website link. It's very important that you understand if there is no date, you just put ND for no date. If there is no author, let's say I use the price one as an example. Let's say it didn't have an author. I would move the title to where the author's name is, and then have the date, and then I would have the website link after that. That's if there's no author or no organization name. To find references, there are lots of resources within the course that you can use. Let's say you chose Maria Montessori. Here's a video on the Montessori philosophy. Let's say you chose Bank Street. Here's a video you could use as one of your references. You can go to Unit 2 if you choose historical figure. There's lots of videos. If you choose John Piaget, that could be one of your references. Howard Gardner, the multiple intelligence video. Any of these can, if it goes with your topic choice, can be used. You can also use information from the NIAC library. There's a great inclusion reference here, and then there is one for the cultural competence and diversity topic right here. You can also use the course textbook, so don't be afraid to go through the course textbook to find some really reliable and relevant information. When you're ready to submit the assignment and you've saved it on your computer, make sure you save it as something that you are going to remember, because you're going to be working off this file for the next 4 weeks. So you want to make sure that you can locate it on your computer. Once you have it saved, you're going to click here on the actual name of the assignment, Unit 3, ECE Foundations Final Paper. You are going to scroll to where it says Browse Local Files. You're going to choose the file name that you saved your paper as. I'm just going to choose this real quick. And click Open. And you're going to see it attach right here. Make sure it's the right file. And then you hit Submit. And then you are done. And then you want to spend the next few weeks continuing to review the references that you chose, start gathering the information from those, because you're going to be using those references to write the information that you learn from them in your own words. There's going to be more information coming on that and more help coming with that, but at least now you already have the title page and reference page done of your paper, so you will be off to a good start.